70%. This is a tax percentage of an IPL ticket. जी हाँ, I recently came across this IPL ticket जिसकी बेस वैल्यू तो सिर्फ 2300 रुपए थी, बट 1700 रुपए के एडिशनल टैक्सेस लगाए गए, मेकिंग इट अ ticket of rupees 4000. This tax of rupees 1700 consists of two things: E-tax and GST. E-tax यानी कि entertainment tax, which is basically levied on purchase of tickets of entertainment events like cricket matches, music concerts, amusement parks. And secondly, GST आपको पता ही है. But what grabbed my attention was GST was levied also on entertainment tax. I mean, this is tax on tax, right? हाँ, I know. As per section 15 of GST law, value of supply includes all other taxes other than GST. But doesn't this defeat the purpose of GST itself? Because GST was meant to be tax on value addition rather than being a tax on tax. And entertainment tax here is not a value addition. And just like this, GST is also levied on customs duty. And we don't know yet why is it so. आपका क्या विचार है इस पे? If you have an opinion, we would like to hear it from you. ऐसे ही facts and information को जानने के लिए do follow TechZilla and let's know more.